You dust today. And somehow, just a day or two later, the dust is back, floating in sunlight, settling on furniture, clinging to shelves like it never left. Most people think this means their home is extra dusty, but the truth is simpler. Most of us are dusting the wrong way, and the wrong method actually makes dust come back faster. Before we fix that, like this video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon so you don't miss smart, time-saving cleaning tips like this. What dust really is and why it's so stubborn. Dust isn't just dirt. It's a mix of dead skin cells, fabric fibers, pollen, hair, and tiny outdoor particles that enter through windows, doors, and shoes. Because it's lightweight, dust easily becomes airborne. When you dry wipe or shake it, you're not removing it, you're redistributing it. That's why understanding dust behavior is the first step to controlling it. The biggest dusting mistake everyone makes. The most common mistake is using a dry cloth or feather duster. These tools lift dust into the air instead of trapping it. The dust floats, settles elsewhere, and reappears within hours. Another mistake is dusting randomly instead of strategically. Without a system, you're working harder for worse results. Always dust from top to bottom. Dust obeys gravity. That means if you dust lower surfaces first, dust from higher areas will fall and undo your work. Start with ceiling fans, light fixtures, shelves, and wall decor. Then move down to furniture, counters, and finally floors. This simple order instantly improves results and saves time. Use slightly damp tools, not dry ones. The right way to dust is with a slightly damp microfiber cloth. Not wet, just enough moisture to grab and hold dust. Microfiber traps particles instead of pushing them around. This single change can reduce how often you need to dust, by days, sometimes even weeks. Why microfiber beats everything else? Microfiber has tiny fibers that create static, pulling dust into the cloth instead of releasing it. Unlike cotton rags or paper towels, microfiber doesn't leave lint behind. Wash and reuse it, and it actually works better over time. One good cloth can replace multiple dusting tools. Don't forget hidden dust zones. Most people dust what they see and ignore what they don't until allergies flare up. Dust loves vents, baseboards, door frames, behind TVs, under beds, and on blinds. These hidden zones constantly release dust back into the room. Cleaning them even once a month makes a noticeable difference. The correct way to dust blinds and fans. Blinds should be closed in one direction and wiped, then reversed and wiped again. Ceiling fans should be dusted with a pillowcase or damp cloth to trap dust instead of letting it fall everywhere. These areas collect massive amounts of dust and are often ignored. Vacuum before you dust floors. After dusting surfaces, always vacuum or mop floors last. This captures any dust that fell during cleaning. If you vacuum first, dust from furniture will undo that work. Timing matters more than effort. Why air quality matters for dust control. Dust returns faster in homes with poor airflow. Opening windows daily using exhaust fans and cleaning air vents helps reduce airborne dust. If possible, a simple air purifier can dramatically slow dust buildup, especially in bedrooms and living rooms. How often you really need to dust. If you're dusting correctly, once a week is enough for most homes. High traffic areas may need light touch-ups, but constant daily dusting usually means the method is wrong, not the home. Quality beats frequency. Dusting without triggering allergies. Wear a mask if you're sensitive, and never shake cloths indoors. Wash microfiber cloths separately without fabric softener. It ruins their dust-grabbing ability. Small habits protect your health while cleaning. Why slow, gentle dusting works better. Fast wiping stirs air and spreads dust. Slow, controlled movements trap it. Cleaning is not about speed, it's about technique. Once you slow down slightly, you'll clean less often overall. The mental relief of a truly dust-free home. A dust-free space feels calmer, lighter, and healthier. You stop feeling like cleaning is endless. When dust stays gone longer, your home finally feels under control instead of constantly messy. Dust isn't the enemy, bad technique is. With the right order, tools, and habits, dusting becomes quicker, easier, and far more effective. Small changes create big results. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If this helped you dust the right way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more smart home cleaning secrets that actually work. Share this with someone who's tired of dust coming back overnight.